All right, easy now. Bring it back slowly towards bay 3. Watch your clearance on the left side.
The prepared strawberries enter enormous crushing machines, where powerful stainless steel rollers transform the fresh fruit into a rich ruby-red puree. The strawberry mixture continues cooking inside enormous steam-jacketed kettles, where gentle heat slowly develops its rich flavor and luxurious texture.
The cooked strawberry mixture thickens in excess moisture.
The thick jam enters a modern vacuum concentration system, where gentle pressure removes additional moisture without damaging the fruit's natural taste and aroma.
The acidity and sweetness levels are perfect, Dr. Lee. Excellent. This batch is approved.
Pallet secure on the left side. Noted. We are clear for departure. Oh, look, honey. This is the fresh strawberry jam we were looking for.
This looks perfect, kids.
Can we put it in the cart?
It looks so good. This jam is the best.
It's so sweet.
This really is the best jam, isn't it? It tastes just like fresh strawberries.